Alien 7.0 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got Casper with us and we are unboxing Marches of 2021's Barkbox. As you can see, he's pretty excited. Ready to open it? Alright. So, alright, go ahead. So this month's theme is Magnificent Magic Box. As you can see, we've gotten the first toy out. Watch out. So this one is hat hair. That's what it looks like. It has two squeakers, a crazy crinkle, and it's a multi-piece toy. Hold on. Hold on. Sit. This little rabbit comes out. This little hat. It's purple on the inside. I know you can't see it. And this is the medium to large box. It says the trick. Hoppus Pocus. Marvel as your dog pulls a rabbit from this crinkly hat. Hide a treat in the hat to sweeten the reveal. So the second toy we got in here has a little dove, squeak, this outer part has a squeaker and a crazy crinkle, and they just pull it out. It says a dove and beyond, the trick, now you squeak me, now you don't. With one flip of the crinkly handkerchief, your dog will make this dove disappear. It has two squeakers and a crazy crinkle. So, per every Barkbox, you get 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, and a hard shoe. You can opt out of the treats if you want to, and you can get all toys. As of next month, we should be getting 3 toys and 2 hard shoes or 1 hard shoe and 2 bags of treats. I decided to sign up for a year subscription this time. So the hard shoe we got this month is Duck Recipe Chew Bar. Back up. And we have a dog outside that we split this half and half with. Okay, so the first bag of treats we got is the chicken crunchies. It's 95% chicken. It's freeze dried and it's made in Canada this time. And it says it's crisp and crunchy. So this is what the bag looks like. Let's open it up and see what it smells like and what Casper thinks. So I had to go grab a knife because it was not opening. Smells like frozen dried chicken. Want one? Alright, so the second one we got is Moo Moo Jerky Sticks. It's a beef recipe, busted with U.S. beef, chewy jerky, and wholesome grains. This seems to open pretty well. I'm splitting you in half. You don't need all of it. Hey, did I say you could have it yet? No, I did not. Back it up. Lay down. Crawl. Whisper. Whisper. Good boy. So, in the box, we got, this is what the back looks like. This is what the front looks like. These are all the toys you could have gotten. And you could have gotten the Harry Houdini. You are getting Squeaky. My Lovely Hesitant. Lick a Card, Any Card. And then we got the Hat Hair and Dove and Beyond. So that is all for this month. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscription button right down below. And we'll see you next month. Bye, guys.